Good afternoon. New at noon, Tennessee's fetal heartbeat bill just passed a big hurdle in the Tennessee legislature. The bill would prohibit women from getting an abortion after a heartbeat is detected. Now, it passed the House Health Committee with a 15-4 vote. The bill is sponsored by Representative Micah Van Huss. This bill would apply to both rape and incest victims. Now, Van Huss and his supporters say they don't believe it's right to kill an innocent child. A heartbeat is typically detected after 6 weeks of pregnancy. The room was packed, as you can see, with both those in favor and against the bill, and emotions were high.
This is not something that a woman takes lightly. She doesn't decide, oh, today is Sunday, it's a beautiful day, I'll have an abortion tomorrow. As a physician who has to help the woman make these decisions, it's difficult on both sides. But it is something that is necessary. It is something that is part of our practice for a reason.
We have every right to support our legislators and tell them that we think it's appropriate that they vote this way. And I encourage every citizen, thank God your mother didn't have an abortion.
Those against the bill say if it does pass, it will end up costing the state money in legal battles. That's if it becomes law.